have to look at the bigger picture. We have to see the idea of mankind as a whole, the idea that we are in a global village, and that therefore we are all responsible for everyone else as well.
The very global scale and scope of the pandemic has made global cooperation and global collaboration necessary. This is a time for the world to come together.
دول كبيرة جدا، عدد كبير من الدول خاصة الدول النامية ترى أهمية أن يكون التعاون هو أساس العلاقات الدولية وليس الثرة.
Africa and China is a community of shared future. Africa and China are in the center of global governance built around the principles of United Nations, extending hands of friendship to all nations, big and small, reaffirming multilateralism as the way to go,